There's a hawk right there, right across the street. So the hawk is right up there. I don't know if you can see him on this camera. I'll get him on my other camera. Just sitting up in that dip. There he goes. The Ashbridge Preserve. We are down here, and the plan is just to hike the trail. It's like a 2-mile trail, and it just kind of loops around. It comes back. Ridley Creek runs across here, head over here to this marsh area over by what looks like a yellow trail. Good morning, everybody. Today I am at the Ashbridge Preserve. I guess technically this is Westchester, Pennsylvania, East Goshen area, Chester County, Pennsylvania. It's not a huge preserve. The trails are about 2 miles, a little less than 2 miles, but it's a kind of a drabby winter day. All the snow from previous snowfalls has melted, although we are expecting some more snowfall later today, so that'll be nice. But right now it's about 30 degrees, some frost on the ground, some ice, but it's not too bad compared to previous hikes. It's almost like a heat wave. But it's been a good start. Seeing that hawk right outside the parking lot, it's kind of cool. Like I was saying earlier, there's blue jays flying around. So hopefully more wildlife will be seen. But stay tuned. We'll see what we can find today. Just kind of following these wood planks on the trail. I don't know if this is Ridley Creek or if it's a tributary in the Ridley Creek. I'll have to check a map and figure out exactly what it is, and I'll put it down below. Alrighty, moving on. Alright, let's move on. I think we gotta cross the creek up here. Some fairly fresh beaver activity. Here's another creek crossing, but at least these are not ice covered. That looks like a beaver dam. Some of those branches, some of the logs in there look pretty fresh. So I would say beavers are very active in this area. Okay, continuing on the trail. So these honey locusts are kind of everywhere in this area, in this section. So this way leads back to the creek. That's the way we came. That would be heading east. And then the trail wants us to continue up this way, which would be heading west. Another small creek crossing over here. This trail is just going to be a giant loop. Nice and peaceful, relaxing. Continue along this trail. This should just loop around and then come back here. This has a eerie vibe to it. Cue the eerie music. It's pretty cool back here. This is just running parallel to the creek that we were just at. Interesting tree. One part of the trunk coming out of the ground. This tree is still alive. You can see just kind of growing, all three of the trunks kind of growing out of the ground, different directions. And this one, it's interesting. I'm going to continue along the creek. There's an old wall back there, old stone wall. Right, running back there. Wonder if there's any more foundation remnants back there. Okay, we're heading away from the creek, and I'm gonna head out. Looks like closer to the field. Looks like we got a friend flying around. Now heading back what is the yellow trail. All right, so we are back at the start of the loop for this section of the trail, and we'll head back down this way and back out to the field. Now on the green trail. All right, this rock over here to the left looks like a good spot to take a break. Grab a little snack. All right, snack break is over and back on the trail. Little tributary. Surprised that's not frozen. A lot of beech trees back here. Almost feel like it's fall again with all these leaves back here, all these beech leaves. It's more like November than it does February. All right, I think that's going to about do it for today. Thanks for joining me here at the Ashbridge Preserve. It's a nice little place. Like I said, it's about a little less than 2 miles of trails. Some of them loop around, but it's nice because it's got a nice diversity to it. You know, there's some wooded areas, there's some meadows, there's some walks along the creeks. So it's a pretty nice little place. It would probably be beautiful in the fall or spring, probably a lot of wildflowers. It'd be interesting to see what grows in these meadows. It might attract a lot of other birds, butterflies, stuff like that. So definitely worth coming back to different times of the year. It's close enough for me, so I'll probably stop back, check it out. But it's a cool little spot. Oh, cardinal. There's been a bunch of them today. Female cardinal. Yeah, I'm just sitting here looking over the creek. There's birds that are flying in and out of these trees right here. There's some right behind me that I don't think are too happy. But just chilling out for a little bit. But so anyway, thanks again for watching, and I will catch everybody at the next video. Peace.